Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maak channel. Do you agree to draw a cute dog together today? After drawing its beautiful and big eyes, we will draw its nose and mouth and the rest of its face. It's turn to draw its ears. Next, we will draw its body and then its legs. It's wonderful! Finally, we will make our drawing more attractive by drawing beautiful hearts. It's time to color. Purple color for its eyes. Red for its tongue. A little pink. We use brown color to paint its face. And adding brown to color its ears can be interesting. We will use brown color for its hands and body. Its feet has become cute. We will also use a little green color for this part. And finally, we will color the beautiful hearts around the little dog with cheerful red color. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.